Inspiration can strike at the oddest times. I'm out here in my little garden, got my little asparagus going right there. How do you know you're getting the best deal? You never will. That's why you need to hire me. But if you still think you know better, here's a little tip. You negotiate, you get up, the dealer lets you leave. They don't follow you to the car, they don't stop you, they don't say, let me go ask my manager one more time. That's how you know. But is that really it? They give you their last offer or they let you leave. Will you really ever know if that's your best deal? You won't. That's why you need to hire me, because I will save you more money than my fee, or I will work for free. It's that simple. If I think I can help you and I don't, I'll send you your money back. You call me before you ever even step foot in the dealership. I will do everything for you. I'll find the car, I'll haggle the car. I take the aggravation, the stress, the time. The only thing you gain is money in your pocket. Why do you want to give it to these owners? Stop. Call me. It's a decision you will not regret.